Hello everyone and welcome to DelftStack. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to fix the IRQL not less or equal error on Windows 11. Now this error sounds extremely technical, but almost always just means two drivers are fighting over the same memory space, and we can fix this easily. So this process is straightforward. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. The first and easiest fix is to let Windows scan itself for broken files and automatically repair them. So what you do is go and right-click on the Start button, and then just simply select Terminal, Admin, or Windows PowerShell Admin. Now over here, just simply enter a simple prompt that is sfc/scan_now. This is the standard system file checker. It'll take up to 5 to 10 minutes to scan your entire operating system, and if it finds any corrupted driver files causing the crash, it'll fix them automatically. So wait for it to hit 100% before closing the window. After that, if the issue still isn't fixed, this can also be caused by the Wi-Fi internet drivers, so we need to make sure those are up to date as well. Again, right-click on your Start menu, then just simply select Device Manager over here. Just going to look for your main Wi-Fi or internet adapter, which is usually under Network Adapters. Look for the brand name like Intel, Realtek, or Killer. So in my case, it is Realtek, which is right over here. Then click on Update Driver. Now just simply click on Search Automatically for drivers. And over here, if it says you are already up to date, it's a good idea to visit your laptop manufacturer's website and download the absolute latest driver from there just to be safe. And lastly, if the error keeps happening, it might be a physical issue with your RAM memory, and Windows also has a built-in tool to test it. So what you do is just simply click on your Start button, then type Windows Memory Diagnostic, and after that, click on the app that is called Windows Memory Diagnostic, and a small window will pop up in front of you. And over here, it will ask you if you want to restart now, make sure you save any open work, and then just simply click on Restart Now and check for problems. And after that, your computer will restart into a blue screen with a progress bar, and that will be the test running. It'll take about 15 to 20 minutes, and once it is finished, your PC will reboot automatically and show you the result if it finds an error. You know exactly which RAM stick needs replacing. And that's it. Your system should be stable again. So I hope you find this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.